تنبيه: هذا البودكاست يحتوي على لغة قوية ومواضيع للكبار فقط. إذا كنت إنسان غير ناضج أو إنسان ذو احتياجات خاصة أو تحت 18، ننصحك بعدم الاستماع إلا بإذن من ولي أمرك أو تحت إشراف الدكتور. نحن غير مسؤولين عن أي عواقب بعد الاستماع. هذا المحتوى ليس مخصص للسياسة أو للديانات السماوية. نحن ناس محترفين في إيصال الرسائل الجريئة، فإذا كنت من أصحاب القلوب الضعيفة أو تحت 18 خليك برا. لا تنسى، لا تحاول تجرب تسويها في البيت، خلها للمحترفين.
Yeah. What's going on? Bridgewalker. Get him.
No way! No way! Bro. I can listen to it.
It's devil.
Check me when I see the Reaper. Brother, girl, movies on teasers. I put a sweet love, meet me at Caesars. She mistake me for a filler.
The filler.
Catch your feeling, I'm a receiver. Yo, I don't know the two-seater. Daggy, all on solitary. I'm still on the salad. I mix codeine مع الشالي.
What?
Sexy hard, pull up on Molly. See my boy, I big a jelly. I'm just saying, but I got it.
Ghali. Expensive.
I hope he anyway standing. Starface, rapping family.
Shit, yeah, man, this takes me back.
That's
to
a
the
shit.
start.
That's a woo. Woo.
This is a little verse time.
That's a fucking motherfucking crazy. What's up everybody? What's up? طبعا يعطيكم العافية وياكم حبيب قلبكم يعني ستار فيس AKA ذا بن بولر. زين يعطيكم العافية. طبعا اليوم عندي صديق الصدوق ما نجا. صديق الصدوق طبعا ذا بريدج ووكر. وندر حبيب قلبي.
واتساب
كلاب حبيبي. بس
رجعتني كم 4 سنين؟
اوف
4 سنين ورا.
بس عندنا اليوم لا اليوم عندنا we have a guest. We have the guest of the guesses, the queen. Okay, Katya, she's
Hello.
she's the Wonder Woman here. Love a clap.
Hello.
Welcome to our show. Welcome.
Thank you. So excited.
منورة الصراحة اليوم يعني everything like shining.
Damn.
ليتاتا شوف bright like a.
It's because I'm here with you. You know, I had to put a bit of a sparkle.
حبيبتي شو الأخبار بعد؟ شو علومكم يا أخي؟ كيف الأسبوع وياكم؟ كيف الأيام؟
يا زول انا رجعت ورا السي.
Talk to me. What's happened this weekend? What? Did you kill anyone? Someone شيء من الشغلات؟
How'd you know?
Oh my god.
How'd you know, dude? I thought I did a good job.
Okay, we find out. She's a killer.
I thought I did a good job.
Okay. Anyway, شو الأخبار بعد؟ شو مسوية؟ What you did this weekend يعني شو سويتي؟
Well, المشكلة it's not blank. No, I was here 24/7.
Okay, شو
I went to work. I slept. I showered.
work shower.
Yeah, chilled.
You working too much.
بخرت
Okay.
اليوم أخيرا.
That's too much.
I was so excited for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How's your weekend, nigga?
Tell us.
It's wedding season, bro.
Damn.
Is wedding season? Is it cuffing season?
What does
It's
that look
cuffing
like for
season,
you?
man. Yo,
Cuffing season يعني.
we're end of July, صح?
صح.
So I have already attended 2 weddings.
Okay. نقول يعني شهر 7 و8 و9 wedding time.
Bro, like يعني next week there's a wedding and the week after there's being a wedding and all of those guys or girls who are getting married يعني هم ربعي صح or cousins or whatnot
Okay.
they're all younger than me.
What you mean? What you mean?
تعرف لما تمشي العرس ويجي يقول لك عبالك 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 قول امين يا رب امين يا رب امين امين.
قول لهم لا شوف اذا حد قال لي هالكلام على طول اقول له اوريدي من متزوج.
لا يا مان
I'm shut him down على طول انا متزوج. وين عمرك؟ Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that was a good
Worry
response.
about you يعني. Don't worry about me يعني. فحد تقول لي يعني شهر 6 و7 it's almost
6 7 8
scuffing season.
and then
I think أنا الشتاء like between like 9 10 11 12 آخر 4 شهور في السنة أحس إن that's the cuffing season.
That's what I was gonna ask. In the Middle East, shouldn't it be the winter?
من حر الدنيا.
Like
يعني أنا I
sure.
really don't know because yesterday I went to a wedding
Yeah.
and everyone was wearing a suit. I wore like a safari. So
Okay.
it's basically like a black shirt.
إذا ثوب يعني.
لا السفاري هو it's like a زي البدلة بتاعت الغابات
Okay.
سفاري
Okay.
بيلبسوها عندنا politicians in Africa wear it most of the
Okay.
time. So I was wearing that because يعني it's hot.
كم الفلاج يعني؟
ما لا اسود على اسود.
Okay.
black shoes some شفت حضرت training دي
Yes.
شفت دنزل شو كان لابس
Yeah. Black on black.
same shit just نصكم
You go Denzel Washington style.
دنزل واشنطن ستايل
Nigga.
يا man I looked like some mafioso يا صاحبي
You drop.
embezzled some like government يا man فهمت I looked bad.
Nice.
بس يعني yeah man and you know they started doing this new حاجة جديدة في العراس لاحظت.
What you
so بروح العرس فهمت قبلي أنا داخل القاعة شلت تليفوني حطتها في باج
Okay.
زيب لوك باج سكرت التليفون تدخل فيه ممنوع تصور في العرس
ممنوع تصور في العرس.
ممنوع.
Actually,
It's
Yeah.
good. It's a good thing يا أخي.
is it a good thing?
Yeah, you come on, it's a good thing. والله العظيم.
لا أنا مثلا عين لو عرس منفصل يعني نسوان ورجال لحالهم
Yeah.
اوكي
Yeah,
حق
but I
النسوان ما
understand.
يكون فيه تلفونات I understand
Okay.
لكن حق الرجال عادي بنصور نحن صح؟
Yeah, but شوف. For me, I like to enjoy the moment يعني. So yeah, everybody drop the phone and enjoy أو العرس يا أخي.
ما
come
انت
on.
فكر فيها العرس ده شوف في مناسبات معينة زي عرس عزا you meet people you haven't seen them يعني in ages يعني أنا العرس هذا شفت ناس من المدرسة ما شفتهم يمكن لي 8-9 سنين really you know منذر you became bald you know you're bald now shut up where's your wife that type of يعني فهمت يعني في النهاية أنت بعدين you want to take a picture عايز تاخذ صورة يعني فهمتها
You don't need to. Yeah.
يعني at the end of the day I understand لكن you know what happened so last week after the podcast
Okay.
my parents went to a wedding
Okay.
and they locked their phones
They zip it.
حطوها لا وهم لا كمان في عراس يخلوك
بس اوكي سؤال يحطوا لك التلفون في الكيس
في الكيس.
ويزبت
زب.
بس يخلوا التلفون عندك.
ايوه ده العرس انا لما مشيته امبارح
اوكي.
راحوا اهلي الاسبوع الطاف
They keep it in the safe.
they keep it in a safe
That's
بتاخذ
dangerous.
تيكت ايوه نفس
That's dangerous يا اخي.
that's dangerous تخيل انا رادي البيت بعد البودكاست رادي العين I'm not gonna chill in دبي رديت العين انا ما معي مفتاح البيت باب مسكر اتصل على امي وابوي
They don't
ما
answer.
حد برد bro I was stuck outside for 2 hours
Damn.
2 hours
زين كان نطيت زين ولا؟
لا ما اقدر انط من بيتنا شقه يا من لازم يا اما تلب من تحت يا اما find a rope and climb down from the rooftop and then طبعا I called my homeboy يا man shout out حسام you ask him about any wedding يا man and العين he'll know where it is who's getting married
Damn. He's the connection
the
huh?
connection he was at a wedding another wedding
Okay.
اتصلت له قلت له اسمع اهلي في عرس لكن ما اعرف وين قال لي يلا يما معانا في العرس ده يما في العرس اللي في كانت في مجلس بن حم
Okay.
اللي هو صوب الطوية عندي
Okay.
رحت هناك obviously I have to go inside and I was dressed like this
Oh my. Oh لا.
bro I walked in حصلت ابوي جالس ورا سلمت عليه قلت له وين تلفونك قال لي شالوا من التلفونات قلت
Damn.
له عشان كده
Crazy.
give me the key
That's dangerous.
قال لي انت متى رديت
Crazy.
قلت له انا مستنيك ساعتين رحت البيت يوم فتحت الباب
That's crazy.
that's crazy bro
Yeah, but do you think it's a good thing يعني؟ Taking your phone when you go to the event ولا شيء من الكلام؟
I don't like that.
Why?
I don't like it.
Take from the moment يعني ولا؟ What you think?
لا خلاص you're comfortable. Like if you're in my space, be comfortable. Do whatever you want to do. Like if you're in my space, be yourself. Whatever
Yeah.
that looks like. I don't need to like force anything. But
Yeah.
in نفس الوقت I respect it. I understand where they're coming from. Kudos to everyone.
بس غريب عرس يشيلون منك تلفون.
What about you? Do you like it? Do you like the concept?
Yeah,
What's your response?
it's more like you will connect more with the reality.
But I think feel like you would like the concept of grabbing people's phones.
Yeah, I
It's
need
different.
look most of the time like nowadays
Yeah,
الحين
yeah.
في اليوم هاي العادية everybody's يعني إن كلهم لاصقين في التلفون كلهم تلفون. ف even if you like if you want attention is everybody here.
لكن انا حاسس في مثلا اعطيك مثلا في حالتي انا سكرون قفلوني برا البيت.
Okay.
So I was going to be stuck. My mom came back at 2 a.m.
Yeah.
فهمت؟ يعني I was going to be stuck for 4 hours outside.
Yes شوف كاسب أن يشيل التلفون يحطوا لك إياه أوكي كمل.
تخيل لو حصلت لك لو مثلا قول انت بركنت سكرت على حد ولا حصل شيء.
ترى أقول لك أوكي شوف أن يشكلون التلفون يحطونه في زبر ويعطونك إياه. على فكرة في يوم كنا في شو اسمه مال ديفيد شو اسمه ديفيد شابيل نفس الشيء لما تصير هناك يعطونك زبر يحطوك زبر يقفلوك اياه وتقول خلاص.
You're not allowed to take.
You know you can't.
Yeah. لاحظت كوميدي شوز
Yeah, even إذا طلعت التلفون يزخونك يطلعوا لك قلت فكر يعني. لدرجة إن في كوميديان يعني إن في حد بالغلط حد من السكيورتي الشرطة يعني كانوا ورا طلع تلفونه سكر هذا قال أنا ما بكمل الشو مالي يا ولد الحلال غير بدل. Yeah.
What?
Some people see
بس في زفاف او في عرس it doesn't make sense. ليش؟ عشان انت اساسا حتكون يما قاعد تاكل ترقص او تتكلم مع واحد ما شفته من ايام
يا
الروضه.
ترى اقول لك اذا انت الحين صاير عرس على راسكم انتم السودانيين it's a little bit mix I think. So everybody like is a party time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? اكل تشربون جالسين شراب الاهالي واطفال is a party vibe يعني.
Yeah,
So we need everybody to connect with الفرقة ويا المعرس ويا العروس. Everybody like you know what I mean? So
But
إذا
you don't think if you're my person we would connect anyway? Like you'd put your phone down? Like the people that she would bring?
But some people they will stuck with the I will take a picture I will take يعني إنه في ناس يصوروا 24 ساعة you know what I mean? Let's talk about the aunties. The aunties they always like taking pictures.
ما تصور لي.
You know what I mean? But always like in the
Yeah.
man aunties with what's up? Oh dangerous. Oh la.
bro.
Let me. جروب العائلة.
انا صراحه if I want to go to a wedding but I don't want to go and I know an aunt ولا امي ماشيه بفتح الفاميلي جروب يا صاحبي بشوف العرس كامل
ترى اقول لك
صور لك كل شيء.
بس اذا
زفاة.
اوكي بس اذا خذوا عنك التلفون الحين بيضطر عليك انه اوكي فاتك العرس ف every time like when you go عرس you need to go there يعني we need you to come يعني you know what I mean so people connect more يا اخي
والله يا
is a communication يعني.
I don't know. It depends. I think it depends if you're talking about a big family wedding, like a lot of cultures have. That's one thing. But if you're gonna have like your event to celebrate, I'm sure the people that you choose would
even
naturally.
اوكي even اذا كان عرس مثلا عرس عائلي لكن مسوينه في البيت او في in the house like you know what I mean it's more like بعد حتى ما يحتاج تصور يعني you don't need to تصور.
انت اساسا كده بتجيب اللي هو انت لما تعمل عرس في محل ايفنت هم بيقول لك نجيب لك كاميرات ونجيب ناس يصوروا العرس وكده.
فخلاص يعني عندك في ناس مختصة في تصوير العرس
ايوه
وانتاجه وهالشغلات so بيوصل لك يعني انه
people are getting drones now يا صاحبي.
you know what I mean
شغل درونات صح.
Yeah.
فهمتها ليزر هنا ليزر شو
كات ووك وشغلات انت شفت الاعراس الاماراتيه مان ولا عرض مال
يا مان
البيور
honestly يا مان how much
وات كات ووك قسم لا تقول جوتشي تانيك داخل على جوتشي يعني
يا مان صراحه
وات
Are they not segregated?
there is two يعني في
Yeah.
segregated
Events you
وفي
come together, right?
yeah
I've been to the
لا
segregated
we
ones.
still segregated
I've been to the female ones.
yeah it's good right?
Yeah, no, I have. It's my friends, yeah, of course.
okay so it is still segregated but الشغلات اللي تستوي اكثر شيء في قاعه الحريم اكثر من الشباب as a guys we don't care يجيب لنا حلوه وقهوه وخلنا نسلم على المعرس we go we don't care حتى لو يابوه العشاء بنتعشى بنخلص بنسلم عليه بتهنى بحبيب بعرسك let's go
tell them about the gifts يا مان.
yeah
I love الهدايا اللي بتجيك في عرس اماراتي.
okay if you want to الحين okay as a process as a
The gifts
human
that reach them.
no let's talk about البروسيس
Yeah,
الحين
the process.
okay البروسيس and every culture
Yeah.
اوكي
في الثقافه عندكم ولا في الثقافه عندكم. اذا انت الحين انسان قررت اليوم ماما انا بتزوج،
اوكي
what is the process to get للعرس؟
اوكي سو في at this point انا اعتبر ان خلاص خطبتها، مش انت
أوكي.
تقدمت لها خلاص دن.
حلو.
اوكي بعدين عندك اول حاجه بنعملها، شنو؟ اول حاجه بتعمل العقد.
اوكي.
العقد اللي هو يكون في المسجد.
هو الملكه يعني ولا
الملكه دي كيف يعني؟
الملكه هاي خلاص انا شيز اوفيشلي يور وايف
على سنه الله ورسوله.
بس
أيوة.
ستيل لكن بعدكم ما سويتوا
لسه ما سوينا الزفاف ما
أوكي.
وقعنا،
يا-
لكن على دينيا
يا دينيا انت
خلاص دي
هاي
مرتين.
يسمونها الملكه.
سو الرجال بيكونوا في المسجد وغالبا بيكون قبل صلاه المغرب المفروض.
يا بس sometimes يسوونها في المجالس صح؟
ايوه المجالس، ما هو المأذون لازم يكون هناك.
يا صلاه العشاء ولا المغرب؟
لا قبل صلاه، نحن بنعمله العصر يا صاحبي.
نيجا الحين قام اقول لك المطوع قمت تسوي له ميتنج تعرف؟
مم.
ايوه كمل
وبيكون مثلا الرجال من يعني انا مثلا انا المعرس، والرجال من جهه العروس بيجي
اوكي
عمك
عمك يعني
يكونوا قاعدين، والمأذون does his thing يعني فهمتها.
اوكي
وبعد ده بيكون بعدين في عشاء.
حلو بعد
العشاء يكون في البيت
حلو
واقربون فقط.
حلو
الاقربون يعني فاميلي فريندز وكده على حسب يعني يور بادجت.
اوكي دازنت ماتر، بس انا يكون بروسيس شي انك تسوي تعقد الحين عقد،
ايوه
بعد ما تعقد شو يستوي؟
بعدين الحنه.
اوه
باي ذا واي تعرف ان احنا
Yeah,
فلانين
الحنة.
بنحنن
That's a fun time.
يدي
Yeah,
يديني
tell us.
الاثنين ورجليني.
Yeah.
and the groomsmen
Wait,
بحننوا
wait, repeat your hands and your legs.
حنه.
الحنة
my hands and my legs.
What kind of henna?
حنه
حنة عادية.
Like henna, I know
ما
henna,
صبغة.
that's
Yeah,
henna.
الحنة that's
Like the pretty ones.
no 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 no
patterns.
mine will be full. I'll show
But
you a
imagining
picture.
the male one would be different. Like what is
لا
like
but
male, like full
لا
tattoo
لا
kind
we
of
do
one?
it like I think in the palm of the hand.
Okay, like full color, like
Yeah
one
full
color.
أيوة.
Like a one color,
and
yeah?
the leg also.
Okay, like half leg or
لا لا
what?
No,
full
full leg.
leg full
Shame.
hand. It's mean you are the خلاص married committed.
يعني ايديك وجريك.
No just the palm
Uh-huh.
is like this.
What color? Black or brown?
I don't know.
What's the- Okay.
أنا when my cousin got married I had mine done. يعني يلا
It's a full
الجرومزمان.
black color for whoever wants
يا
to know.
هي على حسب طباعتك كيف يعني. يعني it
Interesting.
depends on the حنة quality. If it comes out black sometimes it comes out red.
It depends the whole band it يعني.
هو أيوه بالضبط.
Fascinating.
هكذا
Usually-
عند الحريم يعني يسوونه مش
يعني أنت بتكون خالاتك وعماتك وعماتك بيكونوا قاعدين بحننوا لك.
yes
Yeah.
بحننوك. سو بعدين اسمه شنو ده؟ الجرومزمان من جهة الرجال من جهة المعرس they get their right hand أعتقد.
yeah
يدهم اليمين بحننوا يدهم اليمين بس. والعروس
she do all the stuff.
لا هي ما بتكون معانا اساسا.
but she have her own.
they have their own
she own
party.
party.
bachelorette party. الحين
Is that
اعتبرها
حنة
bachelorette party.
The bachelor party is henna party right?
حنة party. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only guys. يعني
Oh.
في females لكن شو the wife is the woman is not there. البنت ما
But
هنا.
the girls they have also like
They have their own party.
henna time بعد
Yeah.
also.
أنا I attended my sister's bachelorette party.
Yeah.
I had to.
Is it
عشان
crazy?
كنت الولد الوحيد. No.
Ah,
كنت الولد
so
الوحيد because I was doing deliveries.
Okay.
They just did a barbecue. It was just a barbecue يعني. It was not active يعني.
Yeah.
المهم
after الحنة
بعدين عندنا يلا الزفاف اللي هو تلبس الابيض وتلبس البدله
يوم العرس يعني.
يوم العرس.
Mm.
وبعدين في الجرتك.
Okay what you
جرتك is the traditional Sudanese wedding
okay
to repel the evil eye يعني. فهمت؟
Okay.
حسب كده بيلبس فيه احمر. بتلبس
أساساً
احمر
شوف-
وبكون لابس ذهب كتير
yeah
والراجل بيكون لابس جلابيه. يلا وبعدين في حاجه اسمها يلا الجرتك ده اساسا هو بيكون زمان كان اسمه الصبحيه بيبدا من الصباح.
okay
بيكون في حاجه اسمها الرقيص.
Okay.
رقيص العروس. رقيص العروس is basically شنو؟
Tell me.
the bride herself.
Okay.
مثلا القاعة كلها تكون بس females.
okay
The
Okay.
only man
Is her man?
is the groom. Yeah.
Okay.
بس. And she dances.
Uh-huh.
for him
Yeah.
Something like that.
I like
Okay.
that I like that
Okay.
تعرف السودانية؟
I
بس يعني
will do it fuck it
and no and يلا هناك no phones. هناك no phones for
doesn't
real.
matter خالتي
Because
Doesn't
يعني صراحة
matter.
it's a culture thing. Like
Yeah.
it's يعني it's والله أنا ما أعرف مغزاها شنو بالضبط.
بس هي عنده اوكي الحين
It's a
هالسؤال
culture thing يعني.
هل هالشيء بيكون between all of the Sudanese or just like a like specific
مثلا في حنة الجعالين
okay
تتجلد.
يا انا شفت
saw that
اوه
Tell me.
You don't need.
So
You don't
we
need
have
it.
this type of
I want to know
henna.
now.
So basically, the groom will get a whip. So
Okay.
العنج.
Uh-huh.
The whip, you know, the one
Sure.
you
Yep,
beat the
sure.
horse with it, right?
Of course. Okay.
So all of his friends must stand in line
Uh-huh.
and they get whipped by him,
Oh, that sounds fun.
like
Yeah.
hard whipped.
Oh, that sounds
Hard
fun.
one. Like
Nice.
It's hard, yo.
you need to
He's
be.
gonna reach
يعني
a lot of rage.
إذا
And-
البغضة
and-
لما بتتزوج.
ايوه
ما
ايوه.
تنضرب.
And
What does it have to do
If
with
you are a
marriage?
single guy, you will get
you
hit.
بتضرب. If you're single هو شوف لسببين،
Mm.
عشان يوري الناس انه ده سنجل.
Yeah.
ثاني حاجة يوري الناس
السنجل بيتعذب بحياته يعني.
لا لا لا
أنا
بوري انه موقف الشدة انك انت
آه.
بتقف لصاحبك يلا لما تتجلد
Mm.
لازم تكون رافع يدك فوق كده
Yeah.
وما تتحرك ولا يعني you cannot even pinch like this. You can't do this.
When you're getting hit.
وبتقول له ابشر ابشر and he starts whipping you.
You
What?
whipping you like.
But
and-
what's the metaphorical? What's the story behind it?
يعني
Like, I'm sure there's some
to
cultural
you're
thing
a
to it.
friend in need يعني فهمت انت
You're a friend in
زول
need, so I'm gonna
كفو.
beat you up.
Yeah. وقت
Yeah.
الشدائد.
What?
هذا
يعني
وقت
وقت الشدائد
الشدائد.
بتقف معاي.
And then you're single, so انت وقت شدائد.
It's a tribal thing. What
Some
do you
people
want to
try.
say?
Come
I
on,
love
relax.
tribal
Come on,
thing, but
Kati. Come on.
engage.
But
I
yeah,
wanna
yeah.
learn. I wanna
Stop.
learn. I wanna know.
Okay.
Like like I went to
tribal
tie
things.
this type of henna back in February
Yeah.
and we all got whipped. But the groom was nice
Interesting.
يعني he didn't really
Uh-huh.
whip us and it was winter so we were wearing jackets.
Yeah.
So كان بجلدنا يعني ها تشك كده. لكن
Okay.
بالسودان
والله
شفتي
بضربوا
شفتي
ضرب.
Go
you
all
watch
out,
Dragon
huh?
Ball?
Yeah, sure.
You see when he takes the force from the floor من الأرض
Okay.
كده بيرفع فوق
Holy moly.
and then sometimes يعني you know to
Mm.
the friends want to show off and they want to show that yo we're your boys نحن حنقيف معاك في وقت الشدة وكده
Okay.
they take out the جلابية.
That's too
shirtless.
much.
Yeah man I seen people
Sto-
cuts blood.
God damn.
Yeah man.
Damn.
Yeah so
So that's the
Tribal
pro.
traditions are
that's
yeah.
the whole Sudanese process يعني in a nutshell.
That's the يعني normal process يعني.
Mm.
That's
Check it
normal
out.
process. انت كيف
Yeah.
ال
العرس لا بس ما كادي كيف العرس عندكم انتوا.
But I want
يعني
to hear yours as well.
I will tell you. Just tell me.
أنا المشكلة I cannot go into that. I have to represent who I am, huh?
ما
I have to
yeah.
represent
just
who
to let
I am.
everyone
Listen,
know
no, no, no,
Kati
no.
is
I am mixed, but I am born and raised
half
in Dubai.
Russian half Lebanese. Who's Lebanese in your family?
My dad.
Damn.
He did well.
He
chose wisely.
He's a sniper.
He's a sniper yeah man. Okay
saw
like
her.
Shout out to your father. Shout out.
shout out to
Shout
your
out to
father.
my
yeah.
dad. I love my dad.
So how مثلا Lebanese weddings مثلا يعني you attended a Lebanese wedding قبل كده صح؟
I have attended.
Yeah.
I've attended. There are a lot of things I don't like.
Okay,
Like
but
what?
If you
talk
want
to us.
my-
Okay, talk to us about the process.
The process. Nothing.
What else you don't like after you finish the process?
المشكلة, if I'm completely honest, I have distanced myself so far from learning about these processes.
Why?
But I know, and you obviously have the khutbah, you have the katb kitab,
Okay.
yeah.
so you have the sheikh that comes. So in
Yeah.
front of God, you guys are good.
Okay.
And then you have the wedding.
So
it
it's
can be a party or-
it's similar, yeah.
Yeah, if you're religious, you don't have a wedding. You don't have parties and dancing and all that stuff.
Okay.
So the more religious the family, the less likely you are to have
Really?
a party. Yeah, of course.
حتى
And the
عندنا
Muslimin, of course, you can't have.
But come
كتب
on.
الكتاب خلاص يا حبيبي روح
Yeah,
يلا
yeah,
شيل
yeah.
مرتك وامشي.
No
Yeah.
DJ, no nothing.
No,
No
no.
DJ.
But if you're more open-minded, obviously you're gonna have a party. You're gonna have like people.
For
having a
real.
good time. حسب. And because there's so many cultures and nationalities and faiths there. Because the ones I've been to have been parties, yeah. Mixed parties.
Most
are
of them,
okay.
most of them, يعني.
Most.
Tell us مثلا something like this will only happen in a Lebanese wedding.
Well,
besides
I think it's
Dabka.
an Arab thing. Dabka is good. Dabka happens.
Debka,
People-
okay, Debka. Okay,
Yeah.
Debka, the original Debka, where
Mm.
from Lebanese or
It's
Urdun
random.
or
Mishkila, all the Balkans have Dabkas as well. So all the Shamis and Balkans. How
yeah.
the Balkan? Like
Yeah.
the countries, like I think the Albanians, the Bulgarians have
yeah.
Dabka. Like some kind of dance on the floor.
هذيك اللي يسوون كده.
Yeah. Or they have the
Mm,
jump
that-
rides.
Yeah, they move their shoulders a lot.
Yeah,
And
فكلهم.
they're tied to each other and they move their shoulders a lot.
together.
That's Iranis? Iranis?
لا ما
Balkans.
ديل Eastern Europe كده.
So the women, they all put like white dresses. They all dance together.
Oh,
It's a Dabka vibe. They step back, step forward, step back, step forward. They do some kind of movement.
So
All
yeah.
these, they're all very close to each other because you have the Middle East, here the Shamis, here the Balkans, Eastern Europe.
So it is
كلهم
like a
عندهم رقصة.
similar يعني إنه.
I think it's all,
Cultures.
everyone tries to add their own unique flair to it.
Okay, also okay.
عندك هالشي.
انزين في البروسيس مال العرس انه طبعا نفس
Yeah, it's
نفس
similar.
البروسيس يعني
It's similar.
خطبة ملشة كتب
Yeah.
الكتاب عرس and let's go party.
بس
Damn.
That's it. The Russians, they have like
Okay,
ones
that's
I've
it.
seen.
Okay.
We're
We're interested about that.
We're really interested about Russian weddings يعني صراحة.
Yeah, Russian wedding.
I never been to a Russian wedding in my life.
على فكرة yo, shout out to my guy Ortega. Ortega, he married يا أخي last year.
Ortega تزوج؟
Yeah, last year Ortega, he invited me his wedding.
Congratulations, Ortega.
Shout
Mo-
out to
Moscow,
Ortega.
Congratulations.
الحسن أورتيغا.
حبيب قلبي. So yeah, I'm sorry يا أخي كنت مشغول ما جيت العرس
العرس كان وين؟
وكان في موسكو.
أنا حجي لك يعني هذا ما بمشي لك.
بس أنا انشغلت كنت بينه بس انشغلت يا أخي.
غريبة ما يسوي بوستات هو.
Damn.
I don't know, married خلاص.
خلاص.
Anyway, tell us
Okay.
Russian
He's out,
wedding.
he's
Go.
out, he's out.
Okay.
He's out.
Sorry.
I think I met his future wife.
His future wife. His now
I
wife.
don't know.
His
Yeah.
current wife.
His current wife.
His current wife.
We went to a house party one time in العين. It wasn't a house, it was a barbecue.
Okay,
Yeah.
when?
كان بيت واحد من الشباب
What
barbecue.
the time?
COVID 2021.
Nah, that's the
Okay.
old one.
Oh, that's the old wife? He has a new
That's
wife?
the old one.
Ah, now
don't
there's a
know.
new wife. That one's gone or is that one still around?
Okay, Russian weddings, go.
Is
Okay,
that one still around?
No,
okay.
she's gone. She's gone.
Ah,
Okay.
okay, I see.
كملي زين. Okay, شو موضوع العرس Russian wedding أو العرس الروسي? How they do it? They do it like يعني same process as us or?
Be aware again. My involvement is very minimal, but I have seen. So عندك, for example, like Maher.
Okay.
So you have the men of the family. They go. They pick up the girl.
Okay.
هاد موجود. You go تحت بيتها. You go to her family, and the man, all his men, they come together to get the girl. But they have a whole process for that whole ritual.
Okay.
That's a big thing.
I think I seen it on Instagram.
Damn.
Yeah. Then you do. I haven't seen the Catholic walk on the down the aisle.
Okay.
Aisle which the Westerners have. I haven't seen that. Like it's more of like you go to the you do Vzaks, like you sign your legal documents
Yes.
Okay.
and then you go take a photo shoot, the one that I've seen.
Okay.
So my family's wedding, they went in limo, they took a photo shoot, they came to the party, they all had a couple drinks, had a good time,
So
and then there was a host
okay.
playing games. So what? Drinks? What are you
So they go to مثلا اللي هو المركز الحكومي. They
Yep.
sign the documents.
then they go
Get into the limo. Go
celebrate.
to the بيمشوا الصالة مثلا.
Yeah. They go
the event,
celebrate,
the-
yeah.
They
خلاص.
celebrate. Okay.
They go legally sign the document and they go celebrate with their friends or whatever.
All right.
Well, sometimes they have a host. For the one I went to, had a host. They
Okay.
had games that we played. That was such a fun wedding because it was so intimate. There were like 30 people,
Okay. Nice.
like all close friends. Because again, there are not that many babies. You have
What?
like one sibling and one uncle, one auntie, and your friends.
Yeah.
صح?
yeah.
Like it's much more.
It's a little bit like yeah.
Yeah. So it's all the people that you adore. One uncle, one auntie, who might leave
Yeah.
early if they don't want to be there. You have a host, and he played so many games.
He's
Like-
He's good MC.
He was good. He was good MC. They're an
Damn.
MC.
He
That was
make,
the wedding
he
that I
make the
went to.
wedding fun يعني.
I like that vibe. I like the
Oh.
intimacy of it more than.
That's how the يعني in Russian marriage يعني. Damn.
That's the one that I went to at least.
ما في those ones that get on.
They
the
have
table.
dabka. They don't have dabka.
That
no.
dance.
Like بس عندك مسلمين, like عندك داغستان و
Yeah,
Chechnya
yeah.
هدول, like it's different.
It is similar to مسلمين يعني.
Yeah, they're Arab.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
Muslimin.
It's
They're Muslim there.
هذول
Yeah.
عندهم
Yeah.
يا مان. those خبيب يا مان. They what
كلهم
marry the wife. مثلا يعملوا كتب الكتاب. يلا امشي لمرتك يلا امشي طوال. باي.
تعرف for I think for رومانيا
Mm.
رومانيا عند الغجر طبعا.
مم.
If you like someone you want to marry her لازم تخطفها.
ايوه I've seen that as
What?
well.
Yeah,
You have to kidnap her.
حتى طريقة الخطف غريبة.
Like
Hey,
خطف
you-
يعني like a game or خطف يعني خطف.
as
It
like
comes out of nowhere
as-
when I'm playing my video
لا,
game.
لا, let's say like I like this girl, okay?
Yeah.
I will kidnap her. I will have like a.
بس يعني they
It's like a playful.
but it's
Wait.
part of the culture.
Yeah, a part of the culture. If
Okay.
you want that girl, you need to, and the girl to part her, she need to run, and she need to escape it.
What?
But if you catch it,
Why would I leave my man and run to
No,
Wilson?
but she's wearing a
she
dress.
wa- yeah,
She has
she
to
wa-
act.
she's ready.
Uh-huh.
She's full dress and everything, and
Uh,
always يا أخي يبوا لهم الكوت هذا شو اسمه الفرو. دوم يخطفونها
بالفرو ويغطونها ولا كده.
يغطيها ويحطها في الدبه
أيوة.
ويروح. Is that
بالدبة.
is مش الدبه
يعني in the car.
Will.
Yes.
No, I seen that on YouTube والله.
Right
ازدح
before
حسيت
Son of
خالد.
life. What?
By the way يعني هي
This is
بتكون قاعدة مجهزة لابسة حطت المكياج and then like her
No,
mom
no,
will be
no.
like
She's like a walking, like they have. I think like
That's
a
a shitty
street.
prequel. Look, I even folded my arms well.
Like I think they have like عندهم شارع معروف.
Mm.
Like if you see her and you want her like as a wife,
Okay.
خطفها.
Well, oh, you just choose her with your eyes because you like her. As
Yeah, I like her. أباها.
أباها
So
خلاص. I can have more than one or best one.
That's
I
kind
don't
of
know.
attractive يا man.
أباها خلاص
I know.
تبرمت.
I will do that.
The Nigerian weddings, I've seen this on Instagram.
Mm.
Here, the bride, she will sit on a chair
Okay.
وما بتتحرك. And the groom
Yes.
بيجي بيرمي
Yeah.
فيها قروش.
Oh yeah, we've
Until
seen these.
until she makes a reaction.
Until
So
she
she
smiles
was
or
still like
something.
If is it enough or not?
قاعد يرمي يرمي يرمي
No.
يرمي 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 يرمي.
تايمينج تعرف نص ساعة تفر فلوس انت. What?
حبيبي dollars. American dollars.
Dollars. I've
Yeah,
seen
you have to
these.
put
So
dollar bills. Yeah,
interesting.
hundreds. Yeah,
These
100
reels now when
hundreds.
you scroll.
Mhm.
Okay.
So question, marriage. What is your definition of marriage? We talked about culture, but انت يعني what is your imagination of what marriage is?
شوف,
Walk with
I
me
don't
for a
want to
moment.
be like
It's okay, whatever it is, it's yours.
how I say it. هو شوف المارج لازم توثقوا هالشغلات. بس for me it's like we don't need paper, baby. We don't need paper.
That's like friends with benefits things. What are you talking about?
She's the devil. يا أخي. No. All the girls they need to understand. Marriage is like if you إذا أنت قبلت أن تزوجين نفسك حق هالشخص وهالشخص زوج نفسه. It's خلاص it's complete circle.
زواج عرفي يا زول.
What go down?
Yeah, you know what I mean. But if you wanna like,
Like you want more options يعني ولا?
I don't need options.
No, you're saying you don't.
We don't need people. We don't need people in our life. Me and you, best.
That's
No, I
the
mean like
bullshit they
in
sell you.
يعني you have
This
to
is
go
tough.
ask.
That's my opinion. That's my opinion.
لا
but
لكن
but if I
تقصد
wanna do
يبدأ
it
من أبوه.
if I wanna do it in the right way, yeah, of course I will go knock the door.
Uh-huh.
بشيل اخواني ولا whatever بشيل as يعني as a group يعني family. بس ندق باب بيتهم. السلام عليكم وعليكم السلام. شو الاخبار؟ والله طلبنا القرب منكم.
أنا عبد الله فين محمد؟
منو الرجال؟
فين داري؟
لا اصبر منو الرجال؟ والله رجال وياك كذا اي والله هذا اخواني هذا سو تعرف الحين عن family and you talk with them and you need to be اذا انت المعرس you need to talk.
Yeah.
You need to show your انا يا طالب بنت يعني دين بينكم والشغلات. بس you need to be careful على فكره.
Okay.
ليش؟
يلا.
sometimes يوم تيجي تطلب لايد البنيه انت ما تبى تقول اسم البنيه. It depends اذا انت مطرش حد قبل ولا لا. اذا انت ما مطرش حد قبل you need to be careful خالد.
What?
Let's say I have a girlfriend, okay?
Okay.
She's a local girl
And
and
you're asking for a different girl's hand?
you need to relax.
Relax, I'm with you. I'm listening. I'm
Okay,
trying to
let's
get on track.
say
Tell me.
normal شيء طبيعي.
Okay.
مثلا الحين انا صرت مثلا داونت في مكان ولا صرت وزاره ولا صرت وين اي مكان
اوكي.
وشفت مثلا وحده ياسه على الكونتر ولا وات ايفر وين ما كان موضوعها شفتها I like that girl she's nice.
Okay.
فيوجولي اذا هذا بصير السلام عليكم وعليكم السلام والله يا اخي ما بزوج زواج والشغلات بس ممكن رقم ابوك ما عليك شماره يعني ولا حاجه.
اوكي.
You know what I mean؟
آه.
ممكن يعني ما عليك شماره يعني. البنيه اكيد اوف كورس ما هي بتعطيك رقم ابوها. شو بتاخذ انت رقم الابو ولا بتاخذ رقم الام؟
اتصل عليه.
يو كول والله السلام عليكم السلام وياك فلان وانا بيني وبينك يا اخي ماخذ الرقم من شفت والله كذا الموضوع ولا ان طرش هو يوجولي انه يطرشون الام فيرست. الام شي ويل تمهد الموضوع she will know she will gather all the news and everything and she will tell you يعني وبيحددون موعد من الامهات ولا الشباب يعني بس فيرست يعني يوجوال لك الامهات يصيرون فيرست negotiation
ايوه.
you know women's
المهر بيكون شيء يختلف.
يي negotiation والله ولدكم شو يسوي شو شهادته ما شهادته ولا ذلك. بعدين اذا طلع في موافقه اوليه انه اتس اوكي الحين ريايل يصيرون فيس تو فيس وي توك وات اذا الموضوع اوكي وهالشغلات طبعا بيسالون البنيه يعني بيقول لك والله ترى يوم يومين بنسال البنيه وبنرجع. سالوا البنيه قالت البنيه اوكي الحين خلاص everything نايس كل شيء موافقين على الوضع كل شيء اوكي ناو ويل بروسس اوكي ليتس جو. الحين متى بيكون العرس متى الملكه متى فسوي الحين خلاص خلصت الموضوع الحين خطبته ليتس خلنا نقول انا نيت الحين خطبت البنيه وقالوا والله البنيه.
So question the milcha. Do you decide it or does the family decide it or does the what's the process there?
في الاخير
Yeah.
القرار حقكم انتوا الاثنين البنيه والولد بس
Okay.
امك وابوك واهلها وهالشغلات هم اللي يقولوا لك النوز. والله البنيه مثلا جامعيه ولا whatever شو كان وضعها. اذا انتوا الاثنين يعني اذا انت عايبينك وضعها وهي عايبينها وضعك everything nice خلاص انتوا الاثنين تعطون موافقه اوليه. ايفن لو الاهل الحين يمكن سمتها الاهل يتدخلون في المواضيع هذه
مهم.
as I don't recommend it but بيتدخلون sometime يعني بس
بس هو لازم يكون منك وهي انت
يا
قراركم انتوا
بتوين
صح.
انتوا الاثنين. وغير هذا حطوا بالك ترى بيستوي بينكم انتوا الاثنين تلفون، بيتكلمون بعض على التلفون، شو اخبارك شو علومك، تبى تقيس النبض انت على الانسان بتعيش وياها فور ايفر يعني. so you need to know يعني need to choice you know what I mean.
تعرف تطبخي ولا لا؟
Forever.
You
لا
know how to cook?
That's
Yeah.
the first question.
yeah you will live with her
I'll get you a
forever
meal, bro.
so you need to check يعني everything يعني not check everything يعني but check anyway so yeah فيستوي بينكم هالشغلات. فاذا طلعت موافقه اوليه وخلاص everything cool وانتوا ويا البنيه اوكي اموركم طيبه so now you can push for the real thing. so now الحين بيستوي موضوع الخطبه. خلينا نقول خطبه مع ما وصلت المشهد نقول 6 شهور. خلينا نقول يعني خطبتها بدايه السنه وقلنا نفس ما قلت شهر 7 ولا 8 بيكون العرس. You know what I mean? So season wedding season. So هني بيستوي موضوع الملكة. الملكة نفس ما تقول شوف we have two type. We have like ملكة وعرس في نفس اليوم. يعني العرس اليوم الويدنج بيستوي الملكة والعرس
Okay.
دايركت. وفي ناس يقولك لا بسوي الملكة الحين هالشهر بعد شهرين بسوي العرس او بعد اسبوعين بسوي العرس او الملكة هالاسبوع والاسبوع الجاي بيكون العرس. You know what I mean? So yeah فإذا استوت الملكة معناته she's officially your wife.
Okay,
She's
after the
you.
Milcha.
الملكة اللي هي
ملكة.
اكتب
I understood, yeah.
شو اسمه كتب الكتاب شيء من
I'm
هالكلام.
with you.
سو بعد العرس بيوي وقت العرس اوكي العرس now is a hectic time. نحن ما نصادف مشاكل في مواضيع العرس او الشغلات. المشاكل اللي نصادفها اكثر شيء في موضوع القاعات. قاعات تكون محجوزه، قاعات تكون غاليه، قاعات مني قاعات من هناك يعني المشكله في موضوع القاعات ما بين الاعراس والشغلات. سو اتس ديفرنت ناو الحين. في بنات يقول لك انا ما ابغى القاعه.
كيف يعني؟
تقول
She
مثلا
doesn't like what it looks like, for
she
example. The aesthetic of it.
she don't want this قاعة. مع انها القاعة انها good for you يعني. You know what I mean؟
ايوه
بس لا تقول لك لا انا ما ابغى القاعة سمعتها is a little bit cheap. She will tell you that in your face. That's your wife. نقا.
we don't really care about that.
Yeah,
انا بشوف
yeah.
الشباب بيعملوها في مجلس
يا I
مجالس
know بس حط ببالك شغلة. في عندنا بنات يهتمون في هالشغلات، يهتمون بالكماليات، وفي بنات يبون يتزوجن بتقول لك I don't care.
yeah exactly.
بيت في جراج في حديقة we don't care. Let's get married. You know what I mean؟
بيت في جراج في حديقة.
إن شاء الله لو حديقة. على فكرة أنا حضرت عرس في
في حديقة.
هذه بتاعت شو؟ لا ما احب هذا القاعة.
What?
Are you choosy؟
Are you choosy?
I'm not even for marriages, like
If
wedding
يعني
in
if
general.
when whatever يعني
I don't give a shit.
you don't give a shit.
I care more about the person.
يعني لو
than the
تزوجتي في
wedding.
جراج you'll be okay.
Make it pretty, make it fucking look good, dude. Like
house party هذا.
no, but like put the money. Let's invest into something. Let's get investments. Let's get a house. Let's go travel.
That's smart.
Like
Yeah.
I don't want to spend money on people that are not gonna be grateful for being there, unless it's like close friends. No, but like a lot of people yap. Oh look, this person got this food. Oh look how she was dressed. I give a shit. It's my party, dude. I'm gonna go celebrate my life with this.
Yeah, that's true.
Like I care more about the relationship I'm gonna have.
meaningful يعني.
The actual party, it's a party, bro. As long as we have fun, خلاص.
صح.
Just make sure you cater to the things that light up my eyes, that give me sparkles, that I'm gonna be grateful that, oh my god, we're here, we're starting this journey. How exciting. Wow, it's me and you. يعني هيك.
Is رومانسية يعني romance.
Not romancy, but it's someone that you can lean on, yes. Like, you think about the relationship you're gonna have, like more about ride or die.
It doesn't matter the price or the place. It matters the people around you and the environment.
Yeah, like money matters. But again, if we have money, let's invest it, let's make more money. Like, money matters.
Yeah, I just
But
want
like,
to
let's be smart about
I
it.
just want to say this.
Where are we?
Whenever you
splurging?
guys decide to get married, let me know. So I want to ask you about where are you gonna get married, and how much you spend on that wedding.
No, look. If it's in budget,
Because
like,
at the end of the
but
day,
if
it's look. يعني I'll tell you something. When my sister was getting married, and my sister was like, I don't care,
Okay.
ما أي قاعة
subjective
عادي.
يعني subjective.
عادي لا قالت عادي أي قاعة ما في أي مشكلة.
كلام
حتى فكرنا يعني بجدي كبير is huge يعني فهمت؟
Okay.
we could have done it there. تعرف أمي أختي الصغيرة شو قالوا لها؟ قالوا لها اسكتي أنت بس تلبسي فستانك الأبيض وتجي.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, I don't have any of that shit. I don't have people that get involved.
Okay,
المهم-
okay. Let me
Yeah.
listen to the story. Okay.
Tell us.
شو بعدين استوى؟
كل شيء.
Yeah,
اختي قالوا لاختي
let's go.
امشي اشتري فستان العرس
مم.
او مش اختار فستان العرس
Okay.
والباقي كله هو planned it.
Mm.
My
Really?
The
mom,
mom and the sister.
his mom, my youngest sister,
Okay.
my second youngest sister, and I know the aunties from there. يعني aunties هنا
They
هنا.
plan it.
They planned it. يعني this is what's going to happen. دي القاعة. عايزين مثلا الطرابيز اللون ده، الورود اللون ده، الكوشة مثلا اللون ده كده.
Damn.
Yeah bro. يعني في النهاية
So
هو
so العروس ما عندها مشكلة وين تتزوج، بس ان الفاميلي they pushing it يعني
they
ولا
push it. يعني صراحة honestly أنا I kind of agree with you إنه no need to spend too much on a wedding because you don't know if this is going to
I mean, I
going
get-
concern. فاهم ما أعرف أنت لو this marriage is gonna go on for
Wow.
forever.
Damn.
Are you gonna go with that mindset?
لا مش المايند يعني look
Like,
What you
let's be
mean?
honest. يعني
what
صراحة
you mean? What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean? What you
يعني
mean?
go with that mindset إنه مثلا يعني في حالات يعني ممكن إنك تصرف فلوس زيادة and then shit doesn't work out.
And I'm gonna be questioning if we're ride or die on that day.
يا أخي look
Ah.
look guys
Why am I?
Okay.
Come on,
why
come
are
on,
we-
come on.
Come on, relax. خلاص.
Come on.
What you
Relax.
mean?
ما في النهاية لكن في النهاية like what I see it usually is that
Mm.
the moms مثلا from the groom side or bride they
Yeah.
want to throw like اسمع نحن يعني مثلا عندنا نحن في العراس السوداني بنجيب الفنانين
Okay.
فجأة تلقى يا مان مثلا جابوا فنانين 2
That's money.
yo bro that's money that's money
You know what I mean? Money.
Yeah, you know.
One is money. What you do?
تو يا صاحبي تو عربات الداخلة شفت العربية
Yeah.
برو اسمع لو ما اس كلاس ما في اس كلاس ده اقل حاجة
G wagon ولا اس كلاس ها؟
شفتا والاكل والطرابيز وما اعرف شنو يعني مثلا I went to this wedding I swear I felt like I was at a Coldplay concert. They gave us bracelets with the lights on them
Why?
because at some point when they were having the
Yeah, I see one of them.
Yeah.
they all light up and we go like and I was like, damn
Oh my god, that's too much.
Fine.
يعني
It's too
event
much
planning يعني فهمت يعني
someone paying money.
I'll attend.
yeah أنا في النهاية like I'm kind of against that because they were like
It's not شوف that's why I told you يعني انتوا زعلتوا من فكرة لما اقول لك والله انا والبنين بنزوج نفسنا حق بعض زعلتوا بس الحين تسمعون الماني هذا بتقولون اوكي.
No, I look. Sometimes these even work better. To be honest, you have relationships that are gone for 20 years. People have kids.
Yeah,
They're fully committed. These exist.
but
بس يعني مش they exist. Some things work out.
صح
But
سؤال
it depends on your background. Like, what are your intentions when you say these kind of things? عرفت? Is your intentions, oh, I want to hide you. I'm not sure about you. But I'm feeding you like pretty words.
it doesn't matter. Me
Again.
and you against the world.
Do you mean that when you say that?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm a man. The only thing
I'm
I have
asking.
in this life, my word. I can't broke it. If I broke it, I broke my everything, like all my manhood. So I need to sit on it.
So why are you against the signing?
It's
Is
not.
it financial?
I'm
or
not against about financial.
Ah.
But if coming to me,
Yeah, I'm curious.
let's marry me and you. Done. Not nothing.
I wanna ask
بس خلاص
something.
بس we sign when we're committed in front of God.
Yeah, بس إذا تبين نكمل العقد هذا بعد سنة بنسوي العقد ما عندي مشكلة.
Oh, okay.
Nigga,
Like,
fuck you.
you want a trial marriage and then we commit.
Yo, because okay, like there are prenups الأيام دي. لكن I just want to ask a question.
عرب بدون هاب بيراب.
نحن ما عندنا prenup. البرينوب ده عند
بس
الخواجات.
ستيل بعد إذا طلقت ترى. Okay, do you think like إذا زوجت وطلقت you will take the half?
لا لو طلقت في
I
فترة
think it's
المهر
fair
ده
to
بيرجع
say-
ولا لا؟
لا,
مهر
look,
refundable?
if I helped you, like for example, if we built
مهر
something
refundable?
together,
Okay.
let's yes, of course.
Yeah.
If مثلا you were here when I came into your life, now since from here, what before you can keep مثلا,
Let's say after
let's we
10
build this
years.
together.
Yes.
Ah, okay, it's our.
Now
Half,
you
yeah.
do.
خلاص, we built it together, dude.
Yeah, boy.
But like my involvement is obvious.
Yeah, but
مثلا.
you can't take half.
Which it depends what we built. حسب.
If I build.
What are the finances?
Okay.
Like,
It's
where is my involvement? Like, let's be fair. يعني ما تظلمني وما بظلمك. عرفت؟ يعني it has to be a place
عشان
where
كذا
both
عندنا
agreement.
محامين بتوع طلاق يا صاحبي.
No, but it has to be. You have to be like in a relationship. Like with someone, the way that someone leaves a relationship says so much more about them than the way that they enter it. Everyone can give you pretty words, but if the person's cussing you out when they leave, man or woman, they're full of shit. عرفت؟ But the
That's
way
true.
you end things says a lot more about your character and your personality.
اه
But you have to be with someone that can end things well, who can handle
Yeah.
arguments well.
there's a football player بتعرف كاكا
It
صح؟
matters.
Yeah, this motherfucker smart as fuck. Yeah.
لا 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 هذاك
So
اشرف
good
حكيمي كاكا البرازيلي.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about Kaka?
This guy is a very
Everyone
religious
was in love with
guy.
him, wasn't
He is the nicest
People were
person.
in love with him.
Yeah, people
I
love
remember
him.
that, yeah. Watch
المهم he got divorced.
it. Okay.
Okay.
You know why did his wife يعني what did his wife say after the divorce?
Mm.
يعني she was in love with him. She was like he was too perfect.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's
She has self-worth issues.
لا لا he was too perfect as in يعني they got divorced يعني they went their separate way but they still have a good relationship.
Yeah,
they have kids.
but the reason is
perfect,
stupid
يعني-
as fuck.
Yeah. What does too perfect
Yeah.
mean? Does that mean he never shows
He's too
any
perfect.
emotions?
I figure.
ولا
I have
Shit.
one breakup I have like that.
يلا.
The girl she tell me when it broke up, she tell me you are too good. You are a good man. I can't come with you.
And you're not exciting?
That girl was
her?
blind.
Yeah, she
لا،
لا
قلت لك-
لا she قالت لي أن you are too good يعني I can't handle you.
Were you
يعني I
putting on
can't.
a good show for her?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
No, no. I was good. I was a good.
Okay.
لا، مو بنا
What's
good.
wrong with that? What did she want? يعني?
She don't want to continue.
She doesn't want a good man, so she's saying bye. That's her reason.
Yeah.
Or she has no
did
feelings.
you يعني did you feel a little bit
أنا شي تميت من صار قلت okay if you say I'm a good man and ما ترمي تكملي وياي there's a reason for that so I don't want to force it إن لا وخليك.
do you have a friend you have a sister
What?
مثلا
شو؟
يعني as in مثلا نشوف if one person doesn't want to continue the relationship and she goes like you're a good guy then be like yeah listen put the word out يعني tell your sisters and your friends
She will kill you.
What? You're getting out of the relationship and you're telling me أنا والله أنت you're too good for me يا أخي أنت ملاك يا أخي والله العظيم
I don't understand it.
حتسعد بنات
Is-
كتير
is
في العالم
that smirk
شوف
يعني is that a girls like they doing it like why they doing it like that like?
I don't know. I don't know. It sounds like an opting out of confrontation. It sounds like an avoidance of confrontation to me.
You sure?
Like she's avoiding confronting you about the real issue. She doesn't feel like it would be worth it to explain it.
She wanna control me تبغى تتحكم كانت
Okay, يعني شيء
but she can't
Okay. There
and
you
she
go.
tell me you too I can't handle you.
Okay, then that's
And-
the reason.
I don't believe her that bit.
But I don't believe you can tell someone. You can say someone's boring for you. They don't excite you. But because someone's good. Okay, they don't get your blood stirring. But since you want passion, you want trauma, you want a toxic bond because you're traumatized. That's different.
That's
حسب. You don't know what a
It-
secure relationship
Oh,
feels like.
It depends يعني على الهيومن يعني it depends on what's your background يعني.
If you're traumatized, you're going to be attracted to trauma. You're going to be attracted to someone who beats you up or cusses you out. And you're going to be, because you're always going to go back to your baseline of your response.
toxic relationship
So
Yeah.
okay
Yeah.
if
You have to
okay
learn.
إذا الحين بنية يد حبت واحد
Oh.
he's not mature enough but he's a toxic. He's
Yeah.
toxic. He's doing playing whatever, playing games on her,
Mm.
and she love him. She wanna broke up with him but she not. After a while she broke up with him.
Mm.
So the guy after that, if he need to be toxic also.
usually she will still
you
be
mean?
attracted to the toxic
Like her,
toxic
like
type
her
only.
pattern, unless she grows out of it or she learns or she's aware of her behaviors, she might fall back into that baseline. So a lot of women or men end up in similar relationships throughout their life because they keep going back. They're drawn to narcissists. They're drawn to
So
this.
yeah, that girl,
So it's her issue.
she's a toxic girl.
Yeah.
The problem with the toxic girl, I can't handle them. No problema. Even if they're making problems, يعني, I keep it down. Okay. ليش زعلان في ديتك؟ What's your problem? والله أنت ما دقيت لي. Okay. أبدق لك الحين شو المشكلة؟ ليش تزعل؟ So I keep it like that. All
I
the
mean,
way.
like,
That's
لا لا لا
what-
لا عين look انت لو
Okay,
حتفصل
I-
منها فترة
لا لا
يعني لو
I keep-
مثلا if you didn't call her in like 3-4
No no no
days
مو
then
مو
yo,
بشي
bro,
صار.
Yeah. that's
Every
weird.
you have
time.
someone on the side
لا 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 so
that is
every time she wanna like تبى تسوي فايت ولا شيء من الشغلات I keep it down. Okay sorry. Okay sorry ما عندك مشكلة آسف.
sorry ما بتأكل عيش
تميت على هالوضع اوكي she don't like it.
yeah man
she wanna fight. وانا اسكر الموضوع لين اخر شيء قالت لي you are too good I can't handle you. bitch
يعني Are you like afraid of confrontation or you just want peace, yani?
No, I don't want to fight.
Okay, then don't fight.
It's
Why-
not-
why-
don't-
why
Honestly,
fight?
guys, we don't like to fight.
No one
We
likes to
don't.
fight.
Mission I don't like.
No,
fight.
I feel like girls love to be catty.
Not necessarily.
يعني,
Yeah,
man, honestly, I feel sometimes girls
You,
يعني
Mm.
they will مثلا يعني
I don't think so. I think like.
I don't think I don't think you can put that on a gender, by the way.
انت
لا لا حتى الشباب حتى الشباب.
You can put that on personality and maturity, yeah, sure.
is
can't put that on a
شوف
gender.
شوف اغلبيه
general.
المشاكل او اغلب التوكسيك الريليشن شيب انا شفته في حياتي اللي يكونون 28 لين تحت. people اللي كان ما يكون عندهم maturity في الايموشن مالتهم.
Some old people are toxic as
Yeah, they're still child يعني.
like.
What you mean?
What you
The-
mean?
Like
It's
65
not-
like toxic?
Yes.
Future time.
Johnny
Oh,
Depp and
yeah.
his
Yeah, but
that was
لا 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 but
fucked
she's
up.
crazy. She's crazy.
and
Johnny-
he's crazy
Jo-
too.
Johnny
pooped on his bed.
Johnny
Huh?
Depp.
She pooped on his bed. That was fascinating.
Yeah, and he did a lot of drugs.
Did you
and
see
he,
it?
I was so interested. I was invested, dude.
yeah.
I was interested.
Johnny Depp.
Johnny
Yeah,
Depp
his
was
divorce
what's her
trial.
name again?
I forgot her name.
But she's beautiful.
The blonde chick.
She's a hot, yeah.
على فكرة إيلون ماسك سوى لها
Slide.
سوى سلايد حقها كانت تمشي وياه في البداية بعدين سوى لها سلايد. But yeah, but he's
Yeah. يعني she did that. He did, and he drank and he used to be a
that's a Johnny Depp خالد.
yeah.
Pirate. What you mean? خليه يشرب. خليه يشم. He's the pirate.
That part of the Caribbean
But
is sick.
Yeah.
That's- Oh my god.
Let him do what he
Yes.
do. He's a Johnny Depp.
I
He's
felt
the-
like maybe he was too much into that character and it ruined his relationship.
he's crazy.
Yeah, he's
You
look
do end up falling into characters.
يعني she was definitely
She's crazy.
she's crazier. لكن هو ذاته كان ما يعني ما كان
Okay, but he's
innocent.
crazy, but not crazy that he's like more like is like كيف أقول لك he's like addiction
or maybe okay I want to ask a question
like high mentality يعني.
in a relationship يعني مثلا to the
Okay.
guys للشباب.
Okay.
So مثلا نتكلم على يعني normal society المجتمع العادي. لو مرتك تصرف أكتر منك تصرف as in معاش أكتر منك she gets paid more, she's more successful, you're good,
Okay.
but she makes more money, would that attack your ego يعني بتحس نفسك
If my girl she make money more than me
yes
in the beginning it doesn't affect anything. It will be nice like okay that's good for my girl. But after a while it doesn't move you. She will the money will move her. Money make
يعني مثلا هي
لا اصبر
she has قول عندها يا أخي Birkin bags وما أعرف
Okay,
شو
okay.
وأنت جبت لها Michael Kors bag. See
Yeah.
see how she يعني will you appreciate that ولا you'll be like
if you have money
nigga you broke.
yeah
تقول-
that's she will die.
yeah man
She will die. She never talked to me like that. Even if you have money, baby.
To tell your man you're broke. No, you don't want to break down his ego and humiliate him. That makes no
No,
sense.
but
It's not-
I think money will talk through you. شوف بقول لك شغلة. The evil of the money. شوف بقول لك شيء. Money will magnify everything in you.
صح.
Everything bad will magnify. Money will magnify. You know what I mean? If you broke and grumpy, if you have money, you are big grumpy. You know what I mean? So even if she have money, all the bad things she in the meantime, like in the first like 3 months, يعني أول 3 شهور بنية حلوة وحبيبي يعطيك العافية you know what I mean? بس بعد 6 شهور 7 شهور money eagle will
أيوة
she will see you different. Like one day she will wake up and she will see you. I don't like this. You know what I mean?
yeah
You drink your coffee and she see you like fucking cheap ass khal. What you mean?
broke nigga
Broke nigga. 20,000 مالتك هاي نوديها في يوم واحد مسخر انت. What you mean? You know what I mean? So money will get her. But if she's a stable girl, she
won't,
doesn't affect that relationship يعني. But
I think it depends.
do you
There's so
think
many there's so much context.
if you have
can't
your
be
okay
one
you
size fits all.
let's say
Yeah.
you make money more than your boyfriend or your
Okay.
husband.
Sure, okay.
it will change you.
There are so many factors there.
He's
Like-
still him, man.
Does he not make now? Is he not? Is
He's
he sitting
ma-
on his
he's
ass
ma- he's
watching
making
TV?
he's making a good money.
It again, context. Is he sitting on his watch watching TV? Is it because he has a job that just pays him that?
Let's
حسب
okay.
so
Let's
much context.
okay. Let's give you a scenario.
Yes.
He work every day.
Okay.
Okay,
Did.
2 days in the weekend.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Normal job.
So he has a
Let's-
9 to 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's say every month.
He's not a lazy guy.
No,
يعني
he's not a lazy guy.
He's not
He's
on
a
his
gym guy. He's an active guy. He's
Yeah.
going. He's
Great, good
everything.
job, brother.
Every month he making, let's say, 20s.
Okay.
Okay. Now in the other hand, انت فتحتي لك مشروع.
Okay.
I don't know, nails whatever
Sure.
any مشروع. نظارات هاي شفتي النظارة
Yeah.
لابستها. You do it as a and هذا المشروع مالك. المشروع مالك هذا after 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, now you get money now every month like 50, 70, 50, 70. Now you make money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But he's still like with the 20s like every month. But now you have like every month there's 50, 70, 50. No, you know what I mean?
يعني you can afford the villa, he can afford
you
a
can't afford
nice
all,
apartment.
you can't afford السنة كلها
Okay.
في البناية كده تقدر تشتري نص البناية اللي عندك.
Sure.
You know what I mean? So that will it's not change you. It will change something.
Can I respond differently?
Yeah.
Sure.
Can I take it down different routes?
Sure.
It depends. We can have two scenarios. One, we can discuss that scenario.
Let's discuss this one
Okay.
and
We can
the
discuss
second.
it, or we can make it personal. Because أنا personally,
No, don't make
Let's-
it personal.
لا، لا.
Personal.
مش personal حياة experience.
Okay.
Like a response, like I'm shifting the
No
direction a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. But in terms of that scenario, a woman that is in that scenario, yeah, it will shift her. But again, context matters because is the مثلا that man in that context, is he financially literate? Does he know how to make money? Is he ambitious? Does he want to grow?
He's a normal guy.
Okay, okay, if he's a
The
normal
usual guy.
usual guy,
9 to 5.
okay, why
Gym guy.
then
Modest.
then a girl
Paddle.
that wants to build an empire doesn't match him. Their lifestyles will not match. Full stop. It's done.
So, but before
Gone.
1 year, you was normal girl. Now when you have like a 50s and 70s, now it changing like
Then
vision.
already you're growing into a relationship with maybe misalignment. Like, are you ambitious? Do you want to make empires? If you just want a normal life, okay, you can align. But into your vision is bigger.
يعني في
You need a
الأخير
man with a bigger, like a
بال-
king with a queen, a peasant with a peasant, a doctor with a doctor. يعني you need people that are compatible to the life you want to live.
meaning from كلامك إنه بتطلقينه.
Is he curious to grow? But again, I will
بتطلقينه خلاص.
Wow, Kat, you're so cold.
Yeah, she's got throw يعني ها.
I will not be married to someone that's not
God
curious to
damn.
grow.
Okay, let's say
Like,
أن okay.
curiosity is essential for
I
you
know,
to
I
even
know, I know, I
consider
know.
someone as
I understand.
A
Rihanna
friend.
should leave ASAP.
You think?
No, 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 no.
حبيبي جاب منها 5 وين بتودره؟
Ah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
What you mean?
Financial literacy and intellectual curiosity are foundational for me.
He's a
يعني-
good guy. يعني he's a good guy. Every 2 years he promotion like he
Is
now
he?
he's
If he's not interested in. He's not financially literate. I cannot.
but his ambition is in his work. Let's say نقول انه هو محاسب. Let's he's accountant.
Ouch.
Now he's like a more like he's more the
I'm an accountant.
استغفر الله.
Ouch.
No.
لا
I can feel it. No, wait.
يا مان.
you cut him through.
No, look. I'm. Astaghfirullah. And
Come on, Kati, come on. Don't cut the boy يا أخي.
Yeah,
He's a good guy.
he's a good guy.
He's a good
I
guy
would be
يا
sitting
أخي.
here, but
He's not cheating. He's doing anything يعني.
look. Before you, if we're talking those scenarios, before you
Okay.
commit to someone,
Okay.
you have to. People are stupid when they don't discuss specific conversations.
Okay.
I'm committing to this is a contract. My life is my business. I will live, I will eat, I will die. خلاص. But this is the project I have قديش 50 سنة left 60 سنة. It's my project.
Okay.
صح؟
صح.
مشروعي.
صح.
هالحياة. أنا حعيش وحموت. بس. In between I will do something. Inshallah I will like it. بس. I will like it. I will like it.
That's a good.
I feel you. I understand. I feel
But
you.
me and you, this is what I want to do in my life until I die. One thing مثلا. شغلة واحدة. أنت نفس الشيء. Are we aligned? If we're aligned, okay, we can live this life together. أنا مثلا I need someone who's ride or die. Can you go to war with me? Is a shay? Are you sanad? Are you gonna learn how to get out of situations? Are you gonna maneuver? Can I trust you? Okay, can we live life?
Instead of him, you waiting
It's-
for him to.
it's-
He waiting for you
you
to
have to
pull him
be-
out.
You have to be
Okay.
a team. But the person's character Someone who has a strong character, they will not stay in that thing for too long. 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, whatever the fuck. They're not gonna stay there for decades. عرفت?
صح.
But I have to trust that you're not the kind of person that will stay there. Okay, then we can live life. But people, okay, she's pretty, he's hot, oh, he comes from a good family. That's not enough for compatibility. You have to have
صح والله.
conversations. We're about to start a project, which is life. How are we gonna live? Are we aligned? What's the lifestyle we're gonna live? How are we gonna spend? What kind of spendings do we want to have? Is my dream to spend on Birkins? No, it's not. مثلا. Is my dream to spend on a lot of things? Yes. Do I have expensive taste? Yes, but different taste. Maybe you have the same expensive taste like me
Okay.
in specific areas. مثلا, I like furniture that lasts a lifetime. I will spend on this chair a big amount, but I'll keep it for 20, 30 years.
Okay.
I'll buy clothes, because I might wear them for 20 years. في أشياء I bought them 10 years ago.
Damn.
But I still wear them because they still look good. It's still my style. It's still classic. عرفت? I might splurge, but things that I splurge on last. عرفت? But it will not be an issue between us. I'll have a closet. I'll have my stable shit. Sometimes I'll splurge a little, but it will not be out of... Like, once I'm set
Okay.
with all my expensive stuff, I'm not splurging on top of that.
Damn.
عرفت?
You collector يعني.
I like things to last. Are you like that? Or are you not? Are you a big boy who has no money and wants a sports car?
So you'll divorce him يعني.
That boy?
Oh my god.
I will not be with him.
Poor
So
bastard.
everybody,
Poor
if
bastard.
you wanna talk to her, she will.
I will
You
not
gotta
start.
be like business plan ready, my nigga.
Yeah.
Ain't joking.
She don't
No, but
play-
it's true
she don't
يعني
play-
صراحة.
she don't play,
صراحة
huh?
even from a guy's perspective لازم تكون مثلا انك تقدر توازيها يعني فهمتها؟
اوكي عندي سؤال انا.
Yeah.
Hear me out.
Yeah.
الحين قالوا لك اذا العصمة استوت بيد البنية. You know what العصمة صح؟
Explain.
مهر.
Translate.
اوكي.
مهر.
العصمة ان الحين قالوا قانون دولي قالوا لك والله البنية تقدر تتزوج الرجال الحين تقدر تخطب الرجال تقدر all the process we do it as a guys
Okay.
girls can do it also يعني اذا حبت واحد تقدر تخطبه الشغلات Do you think حالات الطلاق بتزيد ولا حالات الزواج بترتفع ولا بتنقص؟ As a girl. now عندك انت بمقدرة انك تختار مو بتختار الانسان اللي تحبينه انت ترومين تتزوجينه لو تبين.
Okay.
You have that option if you want يعني. So do you think حالات الزواج بتكون وايد ولا بتكون شوية ولا؟
It depends if we're speaking from my perspective. I can't relate because my reality is different. But are we speaking? It is different.
يعني قولي هسي بقت
لا.
عادات كده.
لا.
لا
بس
just say
جاوبك.
okay.
جاوبك. But if you're thinking from female brains or behavioral patterns of women are more likely to think through processes to secure their security and safety.
Okay.
But they will choose a partner that they have security and safety long term versus men that might think more short term when it comes to partnership.
So بتزيد
they're
حالات
thinking
الزواج ولا بتنقص؟
You might have more stable marriages. I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know. But again,
That happened to
but the
Lucrez
West
انت
has so
عارف؟
much divorces.
Yeah, but
might not.
I think will be my opinion
I don't know.
it's the same will be.
It might be the same. I don't know.
لأن الجيرلز
Society.
yeah girls like almost like they operate like in the how I say it in the feeling or
Sometimes.
like emotional
Sometimes,
Intelligence
yes.
ايوه.
more than the guys they're more like logically. So I think will be the same even if the girl have the right in إذا في يوم من الأيام بنات قاموا يخطبون رجال والشغلات I don't think بتكون حالات طلاق والزواج نفس الشيء.
I think people are people.
It doesn't change.
I think people are people.
بتكون في حالات more messier. في حالات بتكون طلاق messier.
ممكن ايوه.
You know what I mean?
يعني like look honestly.
So, okay. Second question. إذا الحين البنية تقدر تتزوج يعني تروح تخطب وقالوا لها ترى ترومين تاخذين 4 لو تبين.
لا
أصفق. البنت تروم تاخذ 4 شباب وكل اللي سميت.
One question. Who's the father يا man?
We don't know.
Exactly يا man. No, that cannot happen يا man. Who's the dad? I know the mom. بس ما أعرف الأب منو.
So
Who's the father يا man?
we don't know the father.
I know
So
the father يا man.
everybody حبيب قلبي we don't know the father.
Wow.
So we finish خالي. Subscribe motherfucker.